Hanky Panky cocktail was invented by Ada Coleman at the Savoy in London. The Savoy cocktail book, of course, features this cocktail, and that's the recipe I'm using today. It's a great book. If you don't have it, you might want to consider adding that one to your library. I was very fortunate to work on the restoration of the Savoy and the American bar there as well, so this is a very dear cocktail to me. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir over my ice equal measures of gin and sweet vermouth. So I'm going to go with 30 mils of gin. Some people do go as high as 45 mils each, you know, that's absolutely fine, but the book itself calls for half and half of these two ingredients. So whatever you are using, just make sure it's an equal amount of each that goes in. So, like I said, I'm doing 30 mils and 30 mils, and then I'm going to add in 2 dashes of Fernet Branca. The easiest way to do that, of course, is to have a bitters bottle with it in, 2 dashes, and then give that a stir. Any more than 30 seconds isn't really necessary. We'll stir this down over ice. Should just take the edge off, bring those ingredients together, but you know, just take the edge off this pure alcohol cocktail. A little bit of dilution, not too much, but ultimately make it very cold. And in order to keep it cold, of course, we're using a glass that is chilled. I've just taken that out of my freezer, so it's very, very cold in fact. And I'm going to strain this into here, like so. Now this drink was invented by Ada Coleman for the actor Charles Hawtrey. And when he actually first tried the cocktail, his exclamation is what gave it its name. So let me see if I can recreate that moment. By Jove, that's the real Hanky Panky!